In a world where information about health and wellness inundates us, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. However, consider this. Your body has a natural ability to synchronize with higher vibrations, and the physical symptoms you may experience could be signs of an incredible transformation. Let's explore the teachings of Dolores Cannon and delve into the fascinating journey of your body as it aligns with the higher frequencies and vibrations of the new Earth. The new Earth is emerging before our eyes, marking an extraordinary moment in our planet's evolution as it transitions to a higher realm of existence. Our Earth, a nurturing home for millennia, is not merely a physical entity, but a sentient being on her own journey of growth and expansion. She mirrors the evolution of consciousness that permeates the cosmos. As our beloved planet undergoes this transformation, waves of energy carrying higher frequencies are surging, profoundly impacting us on physical, mental, and spiritual levels. These elevated frequencies are not just abstract concepts. They are tangible forces that touch every aspect of our being. Physically, our bodies are adjusting to these elevated vibrations, manifesting as shifts in health, energy levels, and bodily sensations. Mentally, our thoughts are expanding, and our perception of reality is shifting in alignment with the Earth's rising consciousness. Spiritually, we are deepening our connection to higher realms, experiencing a profound sense of unity with all of existence. You may have heard stories of individuals experiencing symptoms like fatigue, depression, irregular heart rhythms, and more, leading them to seek medical help. However, these symptoms may not be indicative of traditional illness. Rather, they could be signs of the profound energetic shift occurring within them. It's important to understand that conventional medical paradigms may not fully grasp these metaphysical changes. Stories like those of Denise and Patty illustrate how traditional diagnosis may fall short in explaining these experiences. Instead, embracing a broader perspective that acknowledges the interconnectedness of body, mind, and spirit is essential. As we awaken to our inherent power and wisdom, we can transcend fear and victimhood, becoming active participants in our healing and evolution. Individuals like Carol exemplify the potential for profound self-healing when we tap into our inner resources and embrace our role as co-creators of reality. In this era of accelerated transformation, healers and teachers play a vital role in guiding others through the shifting energies. They serve as beacons of light, offering guidance, support, and a deep understanding of the journey towards alignment with the new Earth's frequencies. So, let us embrace the inherent wisdom of our bodies, align with the evolving energies of the Earth, and embark on a profound exploration of our true potential as cosmic beings. Together, let us continue on this journey towards a higher state of being, fueled by curiosity, courage, and compassion. As we navigate the currents of change, let us remember that we are not alone. Countless souls around the world are undergoing similar transformations, each contributing their unique essence to the collective tapestry of evolution. In moments of uncertainty, let us find solace in the stillness within, for it is there that we discover our true strength and resilience. By quieting the mind and tuning into the wisdom of our inner guidance, we can navigate the shifting tides with grace and clarity. Moreover, let us cultivate a sense of gratitude for the challenges we encounter along the way, for they are catalysts for growth and transformation. Each obstacle we overcome, each lesson we learn, brings us closer to realizing our fullest potential as divine beings of light. As we embrace this journey of self-discovery and expansion, let us extend love and compassion to ourselves and others. For in the embrace of unconditional love, we find the courage to heal old wounds, release limiting beliefs, and step into our power as conscious co-creators of reality. Together, hand in hand, heart to heart, let us usher in a new era of peace, harmony, and unity consciousness. For the time is now, and the power to shape our destiny lies within each and every one of us. So let us rise, dear friend, and shine our light brightly upon the world. For we are the architects of a new Earth, and our collective vision of love, abundance, and joy is already taking form. With boundless love and infinite blessings, let us continue onward, for the journey is as beautiful as the destination itself. As we continue on this journey of awakening and transformation, let us remember to honor and respect the diversity of experiences and paths that each individual traverses. While we may share common themes and challenges, our journeys are uniquely our own, shaped by our personal histories, beliefs, and intentions. Let us also remain open to the lessons that present themselves along the way, for every encounter, whether joyful or challenging, carries the potential to deepen our understanding of ourselves and the world around us. As we cultivate a spirit of curiosity and openness, we invite the wisdom of the universe to flow through us, guiding us on our path of evolution. In times of doubt or uncertainty, let us draw strength from the knowledge that we are supported by a vast network of loving energies, both seen and unseen. Whether it be the guidance of our higher selves, the wisdom of our ancestors, or the love of kindred spirits, we are never alone on this journey. And as we navigate the ebb and flow of life's experiences, let us remember to extend compassion and understanding to ourselves and others. Forgive ourselves for our perceived shortcomings and extend forgiveness to those who may have hurt or wronged us. In doing so, we release the burdens of the past and create space for healing and growth to unfold. Ultimately, let us hold fast to the vision of a world transformed by love, compassion, and unity. With each step we take on our journey, we move closer to realizing this vision, one heart and one soul at a time. May we continue to walk this path with courage, grace, and unwavering faith in the power of love to illuminate even the darkest corners of our world. And may our collective efforts pave the way for a future filled with boundless possibilities, where all beings live in harmony and peace. Together, let us co-create a world that honors the sacredness of all life and celebrates the interconnectedness of our shared humanity. For in the tapestry of existence, every thread is precious, every voice is heard, and every soul is valued beyond measure. With deep reverence for the journey that lies ahead, let us embrace the beauty and wonder of the unknown, knowing that with each step forward, we are drawing ever closer to the fulfillment of our highest potential. And so, dear friend, let us continue onward with hearts full of hope and spirits aflame with the light of truth. For in the journey of becoming, we discover the infinite depths of our own divine essence and the limitless possibilities that await us on the path ahead. As we embark on this journey of self-discovery and transformation, let us delve deeper into the mysteries of our existence, exploring the realms of consciousness and the interconnectedness of all things. Let us embrace the teachings of ancient wisdom traditions and modern spiritual practices, drawing inspiration from the timeless truths that have guided seekers throughout the ages. Let us also remember the importance of self-care and self-love along the way, nurturing our bodies, minds, and spirits with practices that replenish and rejuvenate us. Whether it be through meditation, yoga, journaling, or simply spending time in nature, let us prioritize our well-being and honor the sacred temple that is our physical form. As we journey inward, let us confront our fears and insecurities with courage and compassion, knowing that true healing begins when we face our shadows with honesty and acceptance. Let us release the limiting beliefs and outdated patterns that no longer serve us, making space for new insights and revelations to emerge. And as we navigate the complexities of human relationships, let us approach each interaction with kindness and empathy, recognizing the divine spark that resides within each and every being. Let us cultivate deeper connections based on authenticity and mutual respect, fostering a sense of unity and belonging in our communities and beyond. In our quest for self-realization, let us also remember the interconnectedness of all life forms and the sacredness of the earth that sustains us. Let us honor the natural world and strive to live in harmony with its rhythms and cycles, mindful of the impact of our actions on future generations. As we continue to evolve and expand our consciousness, let us remain humble and open to the guidance of higher powers, trusting in the wisdom of the universe to guide us on our path. Let us surrender to the flow of life, allowing it to carry us forward with grace and ease, knowing that we are always exactly where we need to be. And so, dear friend, let us continue onward with faith and determination, knowing that the journey of self-discovery is never ending, and that each moment holds the potential for profound transformation. May we walk this path with courage, grace, and gratitude, embracing the beauty and wonder of the unfolding mystery that is life.